Naging bukas ang bitter-anang aktres na si Jackie Lou Blanco patungkol sa pagkamatay ng kanyang dating asawa na si Ricky Davao. Sa kanyang interview sa ABS-CBN News, inamin ng aktres na na-diagnose si Ricky ng stage 4 lymphoma noong December 2024. Pagpapatuloy niya, na-confine at na-intubate sa ICU si Ricky, ngunit nakitaan naman ito ng improvement. Things were looking better. He was transferred to a regular room, tinatanggal na yung tube. After a while, after a couple of weeks, nag-start na yung treatment. Gumaganda, lumiliit yung tumor kaya nga lang, you know what cancer is, and it was also a delayed stage, saad pa ni Jackie Lou. Sa kabila ng mga pagsubok sa kabilang pamilya ay patuloy pa rin ang pagsulit nila sa oras at nag-celebrate pa ng Christmas together. Pag-amin pa ni Jackie Lou, hindi perpekto ang relasyon nila ni Ricky pero sa mga huling buwan, ay nagkaroon na ng kapatawaran at kapayapaan sa pagitan nila. Our relationship was a work in progress. I mean in the beginning, parang hindi pa masyadong okay. When things got better, we were able to celebrate as a family, we were able to take a trip as a family. Things were really in a better place, and I am happy that it was in that place because at least naging maayos before he passed. I think that's what I am really thankful for, sabi pa ni Jackie Lou. Aniya, noong mga panahong nasa ICU pa si Ricky ay nagkausap na sila at siniguro niyang hindi niya pababayaan ang kanilang mga anak. I said whatever happens between us, I pray that you are forgiving me kasi ako rin naman I forgive you, and nasabi ko, don't worry, I'll take care of the kids. Thankful nga rin siya na nagkaroon sila ng pagkakataon na magkausap at walang samaan ng loob at napuno ng pagmamahal sa isa't isa bago pa ito bawian ng buhay. Ani Jackie Lou, I reassured him na magiging okay kami and huwag siyang matakot because Jesus is waiting him in heaven where there is no more pain. So I have been blessed to be able to have that opportunity and for him to have passed with so much love around him. Isa pa sa highlights ng eulogy ay nang ikwento ni Jackie na silang tatlong babae sa buhay ni Ricky ay nakasama pa niya sa intensive care unit o ICU ng ospital. Ni-recognize ni Jackie ang partner ni Ricky na si Mayet Malca Darroca at pinasalamatan nito sa pag-aalaga sa dati niyang asawa.